Hey besties, do you want to earn some extra cash while still rocking your main gig? Whether you're a student, a professional, or a parent, guess what? There's a side hustle out there with your name on it. Make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end because I compiled a good number of apps where you can make money. Guys, I've reviewed dozens of the most popular money-making apps to determine my list. Yes, and I've listed them accordingly, and I'm going to be saving the best for the last. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. The first app on my list is branded surveys. Yay! Guys, I'm sure you've not heard of branded surveys before now. Yes, you're welcome. Now, branded surveys partners with market research firms that work with Fortune 500 companies. So the primary focus of is the consumer opinions on topics like brand awareness, consumer insights, product market research, and partner surveys, which are essentially ads. They are best for new users. Branded surveys doesn't overcomplicate the process of earning money. Yes. Now, every survey offer that you receive tells you exactly how many points you will earn and how long it's expected to take, which makes it easier for you to calculate how much money you can earn in a specific time frame. You don't have to play games, you don't need to watch videos, and you don't need to shop at specific stores. And here is how the payment works. You must have at least 500 points to cash out, which is equal to $5, and you can receive your money through PayPal as a gift card or send it directly to your bank account. Now, branded surveys also offers the option to donate your earnings to charity. And the next app on my list here is Hey Piggy. Yes, so guys, Hey Piggy is a survey site where users earn points for sharing their opinions. Like other survey sites, the payment structure is transparent and the payout is relatively quick. Now, some surveys pay up to $10. Yes. What actually separates Hey Piggy is that teenagers can use the mobile app with parental consent. It is best for teenagers users 14 years old and older can sign up with parental consent to earn cash with Hey Piggy. However, the app does not actually verify that the teen has a parent's approval. And here is how the payment works. Now, users can cash out with an Amazon gift card with as little as $1. Once your balance hits $5, you can use PayPal, yes, to access your cash. When you have $10, you can move your balance over to a Visa gift card that you can spend anywhere. Yes, so guys, let me spill the tea. Have you heard of Capital One Shopping? Capital One Shopping is a browser extension that automatically checks for discounts, coupons, and cashback offers from major retailers as you shop. Guys, guess what? It's the best browser extension because Capital One Shopping price comparison feature compares the cost of various products, including the shipping, membership costs, and directly links to cheaper options wherever they are available. The extension searches the internet for deals in the background while you are shopping. And here is how the payment works. You earn your rewards through cashback promotions when you shop. The minimum balance to cash out is 0.101 cents. It's 1 cent, really, which is any amount. I'm telling you, and this is much lower than most comparable websites. Shoppers can also redeem their rewards for gift cards at major retailers. Now, the next app on my list here is Acorns. Yes, so guys, Acorns is an investing and savings app that also lets you earn money. However, this app works by adding bonus investments to your portfolio. It is actually best for investments since there's a relatively long holding period involved. Acorns is an option to actually grow your investments while you shop. And that's because when you shop and you shop through the app, you automatically earn money for your Acorns investments account. And you can use the browser extension if you prefer shopping on a computer. And here is how the payments works. Now, Acorns invest rewards in your account within 60 to 120 days. But you can view the rewards on your dashboard a few days after making a purchase. How much you actually earn depends on the current promotions, your spending, and where you shop. Here are the pros and cons of money-making apps. Please note, while earning extra money through apps like this can be lucrative, there is plenty to contemplate before signing on. And here is what you need to consider before you embark on it. Number one, the pros is that it does not require much effort. I'm telling you, you can typically complete these surveys or other tasks within a few minutes. Now, on cashback apps, you earn money while you're buying items that you would likely have purchased anyway. They offer straightforward payments. Once you have a previously specified account balance, then you can cash out with a gift card or another preferred method, and there is no commitment. Guys, money-making apps allows you to set your schedule and makes them a low-pressure way to earn money. Now, here are the cons of some of these apps. Some of them require that you have a minimum payout balance. And guys, that's pretty much it. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Most apps actually require users to have a minimum account balance to withdraw the funds. Now, the next con I would say here is potential privacy concerns. Yes, money-making apps usually require users to share their data, including their browsing history and location. Here are some strategies for maximizing your earnings. Here are some steps that you can take to maximize your earning. First thing you need to do is to check the app regularly. Yes, survey apps usually offer new surveys every day. If you're serious about earning money, make sure that you check the app at least once a day. Yes, for new money-making offers. Now, for cashback while shopping, check the app before you check out. Keep your profile updated and make sure that your profile is up to date for surveys, because companies are looking for users with specific characteristics and you might not qualify for every survey offered. The more detail you provide in your profile, the better your chances of more earning opportunities. And please be strategic. Take advantage of an app's welcome bonus or sign up bonus to boost your rewards. Now, for cashback apps, remember to check the app before making a purchase. And here is the bottom line. Money-making apps can be a legitimate way to earn extra money. Survey apps helps you to share your opinion and earn rewards, which you can eventually redeem for gift cards or cash. Cashback apps provide rewards for shopping, and both options allows you to boost your bank accounts as long as you're strategic about your time. Start with an app that fits your current lifestyle and habits to maximize your earnings. I recommend Swagbox. iButter. Yes, that's why I said you should watch this video all the way till the end. Swagbox, iButter, Survey Junkie, Rakuten, Upside, Branded Surveys, Hey Piggy, Capital One Shopping, and Acorns. Just so you know, I use Capital One and I get money all the time. I'm telling you, I got over $100 last month from, Capital One, just rewards from shopping. I'm telling you, you shop and they tell you, oh, you have $15 cash back. You're like, okay, you just earn money for shopping, for buying things that you would normally buy. I mean, it's like going to the grocery store and picking up stuff. You picked up groceries for maybe $80 and you get 10%. You can get up to 10%, you get 10% of that cash as cash back. So guys, the more you spend, the more you earn. That's how it works. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you. You can actually make money, yes, from all of these cash back, from all of these websites and apps. I'm telling you, and be on your way to securing that bag. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And please, if you want to see more of money-making videos on this channel, let me know. But if you prefer more grants videos, let me know, because I see that you guys are not so receptive to my grant videos, which I understand. A lot of people don't understand how grant works, but the truth of the matter is that I always encourage people to apply even if they think that they don't qualify. The good thing is some of these organizations get back to you after 2 weeks. Some of them get back to you after a month. Some, it takes longer than a month. So you have to be patient. And I always say apply for multiple grants so that you stand a chance to win grants. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching all the way till the very end. Please do well to like this video, share this video with your friends. Tell a friend about these awesome, juicy opportunities. And of course, I will see you in my next video. But before we go, I'd like to remind you that just in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye for now.